As you all know, we are currently working on our oceanography unit in class. You each are responsible for creating a visual representation of your own sea creature. Today I'm going to teach you a technique called paper mache. You may be interested in using this technique to create your sea creature. To get a better idea about what paper mache is all about, we can take a look at some pieces that other artists have created. Sergio Bustamante is the most famous artist that uses this technique of paper mache for his work. He was born in Mexico and started pursuing a degree in architecture at the University of Guadalajara. He soon abandoned his degree to pursue a career in the fine arts. He traveled to Amsterdam to further develop his skills and now is one of the most well-known paper mache artists. Much of his work features animals and mythical creatures. Before starting this project, we will need to gather our materials. For this particular paper mache product, we will need 1 balloon, 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of water, 1 newspaper with both full sheets and teared strips, 1 bowl, and 1 stirring utensil such as a fork or a knife. Once you have all your materials, you are ready to begin. You'll want to first start by laying out the newspaper down on your surface. Paper mache can get messy, so the newspaper will make for an easy cleanup. Next, you'll want to blow up your balloon to the appropriate size of your desired structure. For this particular project, I'm creating a jellyfish, so I will keep my balloon rather small. After blowing up the balloon, you can begin to tear the strips of newspaper. For this, you'll want to rip the newspaper into 1-inch strips. It is also important that you tear these strips rather than cut them. By tearing them, you'll make cleaner edges in your final product. After all your strips have been torn, you can begin to make the paste. There are various ways to make paste for paper mache, but for today's project, we are going to use a simple flour water paste. You'll want to start out with a cup of water and a cup of flour. If you need more paste, you can always go back and make more. You just want to make sure you don't have too much in the beginning because the paste will begin to harden as you are working on your sculpture. To make your paste, you simply combine the 1 cup of water with 1 cup of flour. When stirring them together, you want to make sure you are stirring them evenly to avoid lumps and to create a smooth mixture. Once your paste is made, you may begin laying your papers. There is really no proper method to doing this, so you don't have to worry about making a mistake. When layering the papers, you simply dip the paper into the paste and lay it flat across the balloon's surface. You will continue to do this until your desired shape is covered. The more you layer the papers, the thicker and harder the structure will be. Once the papers are all layered, you will want to let this dry overnight. When the structure is completely dry, you can pop the balloon so that you're just left with the structure. Once you have the single structure, you can begin decorating. You can decorate the structure by painting or adding other objects to your structure. This will help to bring it to life. As mentioned earlier, today I'm creating a jellyfish. I will be painting my structure pink to serve as the body of the jellyfish. After the paint is completely dry, I will attach strips of paper to the bottom to serve as the tentacles. After I've completely decorated my structure, I'm all finished with this product. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson about paper mache. Paper mache is a very fun technique to use, but can also be very beneficial for this project. I hope you consider using it to create your sea creature. I had lots of fun with it, and I hope you do too. Thanks for watching.